come to you from the Coimbatore market in Chennai, which a few months ago had turned into a super spreader with more than 3,000 people contracting the virus here. Today, just the wholesale food grain section alone has reopened, around 200 shops. The vegetable section will start on the 28th and the fruit section much later. In fact, earlier, every day, more than 1 lakh customers used to come here. I have with me a group of wholesalers. Thank you all very much for your time. If I can begin with you, how does it feel to be back after almost 4 months?
It feels really good to be back. We've been through a lot of hard times, and everyone's been through a lot of hard times. So it feels really good to be back, and we are looking forward.
Tell me the kind of hardship you underwent.
We went through a lot of hardships. A lot of people had to pay rent and things like that as well. And then I had to give salary to my employees. We weren't open, but we still had to give a salary to them. And then a lot of goods have been destroyed, as in they have been perished.
What's the worth of goods that got perished?
Around 25 lakhs for me. And I'm pretty sure everyone had their own share of...
It's big money.
It's very big money. So if you take the whole of market, it probably should be in crores, 100% it should be in crores.
Right. Sir, what kind of precautions put in place now to make sure COVID-wise it's safe?
At the entrance we have these thermal scanners, and at the shops we have the social distancing stickers, and the sanitizer dispenser is at the entrance, and there's no mask, no sale. So that is the precautions advised by the government. That's what we are doing.
Right. And the big worry, of course, is once large number of people start coming in, would you be able to enforce social distancing?
Yeah, this market is newly constructed, so there's a lot of space, and we are taking adequate precautions for that. The customers are also cooperating. Even now they understand that the COVID is not over, so even they are also cautious.
Right. Last time, sir, more than 3,000 people had contracted the virus from this market area. Is there a worry that once large number of people start coming in, this could lead to more number of cases in Chennai? Already we have around 1,000 cases every day.
I don't think so, because comparing other states, all the states have opened up and they are seeing plenty of cases just because they are not following any norms. But in Tamil Nadu, government is doing very well. And even in Chennai, they are doing all things well. They are following all the norms and everything is good. And people are also, moreover, all the educated people and even uneducated are supporting us. They are maintaining everything. So no such issues will come up in Tamil Nadu.
All right. And sir, business-wise, how has been day one for you?
Business-wise, just one baby. Still, last four and a half months, my loose is all business. After September 18th, just open, it's just one baby. I feel just one baby. And it's not 2 or 3 months, I will get back.
All right. And how did you manage without business? Did you pay for your workers?
Yeah, sure. She's my family. She's working. She's my family. So I pay for all my workers. I pay the salary.
Full salary.
Yeah.
And how did you manage?
What can I do? All families are just I got or 2 other outlet is there, so I manage all families.
Right. For an outsider like me, today, not many customers at least seen at this point in time. Does it mean people are still hesitant to come here?
No, people are not hesitant. Actually, they were not aware. Today, the news channels are showing that market is open. Maybe might be from tomorrow, but morning we have seen some people coming inside.
All right.
It will spread out. They have to go tell market is open, you can go inside and buy.
Right.
That is what.
And so what are the challenges ahead for you? For instance, over the last 6 months, many online platforms had expanded to supplying groceries. Is that a major challenge? Do you think this will continue for quite some time?
That is going to be there. This is world over, this challenge is there. We have to learn how to fight them. So we'll devise ways to do and face the challenges.
Any particular strategy you have in mind?
We'll upgrade our system of working. That is the way we can fight them.
Okay. So you would also probably shift to online sale, online technology.
Yes, we have to. Like, it's not that I'm opting for it, it's just I'm forced for it. Everyone's probably forced for it. Because after COVID, a lot of people are, forced to stay inside. And since online sales have seen a lot of growth, like, which has not been seen in a decade now. They've seen it in 3 months. So, So, yeah, we have to. Like, we've been forced to do it. So, yeah.
Right.
We will probably, try to upgrade ourselves and give the best from us,
And in your view, how has been the government's approach towards industries like yours over the last 5 months?
Governments, they themselves are confused. They didn't know whether they will, like you had a doubt, if you reopen, whether we'll have an issue again. So we assured them that there will not be any such problem, and the government listened to us, and then they opened. Good thing for us, a blessing in disguise is they renovated a lot of requirement, the common areas, the toilets, all that they've renovated, and it is giving a good appearance.
Right. And has the government adequately reached out to the traders community?
No, I can't answer this one. It has to come up. That's all.
Any particular demands you have?
Yeah, sure. Because we have lost everything. Government should come out. They have told actually we have done some MSME loans, everything. But approaching banks, they say we have not got any instructions. This is the truth. Managers are saying, and we don't know what is happening backside. They have to come out and help us so we can grow our business more. And as you said, online platforms are making money because all big players. If we want to come up, they have to support us.
Right. And sir, what is your message for customers?
What is my message to the customers? My message to the customers is that we have opened, first thing, and we are following all safety precautions, and we care for your safety as well.
Right.
So it's not that we want our business to run. We care for the world and we care for the environment as well.
Right.
So we assure that you will be safe here.
Right.
It's just that a lot of media channels stand up Coimbatore as in like a hotspot for corona, but this space is like it's pretty big. It's
Right.
really it's like you have a lot of space to maintain proper social distance and things. So
Right.
we care for you and we will make sure that you stay safe as well.
Thank you all so much for your time. The Coimbatore food grains wholesalers talking to us about the hardship they suffered over the last few months, the challenges ahead, and also assuring customers that the place will be absolutely safe for them to come and do business. At Coimbatore with Suresh, Sam Daniel, Find Your TV.